So, okay, question number 10th, and it's on odd one out. So you need to figure out the answer, which is not figure out the sentence that is not fitting on the context here. So let's read the sentences. So the X in Xmas as an abbreviation for Christmas definitely comes from the Greek letter X. Okay. So this sentence basically you can say it kind of discusses the origin of the X in Xmas. Okay. And it says that it is related to the Greek letter X, right? Now, even if the origins of X in algebra are uncertain, there are some instances in which historians do know why X is used, right? So its sentence kind of introduces the uncertainty of the origin of X, right, in algebra, but they mention that there are some instances where the historians do know why X is used, right? Now, the letter X often can be appealing. Just looked at Elon Musk with SpaceX, Tesla Models X, and now X as the new name of Twitter. Now, this sentence basically talks about the appeal for the letter X, okay, and maybe letter X with SpaceX and all that. But there are other cases in which scholars can only guess about the origins of the letters roles such as the perhaps X marks the spot, right? Now, this sentence continue the theme of, you can say, kind of uncertainty of the origin of X, providing an example where the scholars only guess about its origin. Now, there are some instances in which X was chosen specifically to indicate something unknown or extra, such as when the German physicist Wilhelm Röntgen accidentally discovered X-rays in 1895 while experimenting with cathode rays and glass. So this sentence provide again an example where X was chosen to indicate something which is unknown or extra. Okay, so that is the case. Now it's very easy for you to figure out that the two is an odd one out, right? Now why two is an odd one? Sorry, I mean like why three is an odd one out. Now why three is an odd one out is that because we can see that it is talking about letter X appeal, okay? And letter X appeal to the Elon Musk with SpaceX and Tesla X, and now X is the name of Twitter. Now, this sentence, while discussing the appeal of the letter X in branding, maybe, but it does not fit the historical or theoretical context of other sentences. So basically, the theme is kind of you can say is about the uncertainty of the origin of X, okay? And then it provides significant specific instances where the origin is known, okay, and concludes with an example where the origins are basically guessed, okay. So that is the case, and it is totally taking the discussion to the different tangent. So I hope you got it correct.